Hey everyone! So, you know what I mean, right? Life is truly like a fantastic gift from nature, don't you think? I mean, it's just so cool and amazing that we get to experience all of this wonderful stuff in life. Just think about it for a second, seriously. There's so much out there to explore, to discover, and to enjoy. So, let's make the most of it, alright? Life's too short not to appreciate the little things and the beauty that surrounds us. Alright, let's keep this positive and uplifting vibe going.